these colors together, insane. Hey guys, it's Ollie Brom and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I have missed you. I feel like in the last video, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do a video a week. It's been 3 weeks. I'm just gonna skip past that. I'm gonna be posting more. I say this every video, but I am. Yes, before we get into the video, just wait. I bought this bag yesterday and I am obsessed. Like, this is like my new favorite bag. Like, so nice. But yeah, I thought I'd show you that quick. But this isn't a recent pickup video. This is an Asos haul. So basically, I've been shopping on Asos, and I thought I'd just show you guys what I picked up. It's spring, summertime now. All the fashion's changing, so I thought I can give you guys some insight of what is good from Asos for like your spring, summer wardrobe. It's a decent shop. I also have a few pieces that I bought last week, which I can show you as well. But let's get into this Asos haul. Okay guys, so I'm gonna unbox this with you now, and then I kind of show you the pieces, and then I'm gonna do a little try on so you guys can see. I'll style it with a few outfits so you can kind of see how I'd piece it together, how I'd accessorize it, how it fits. So, oh my god, I actually can't even remember what I ordered. That's like the thing about Asos, it's like, oh, like add to basket, and you're like, oh. Okay, first piece. Okay, yeah, I remember this, As you guys know, I love colour, so I thought, okay, let's go like get like a colourful little jumper I could wear with like maybe some like shorts or something. So I got this reclaimed vintage jumper, which is really, really nice. It's a size large, which I think should be good for me because I like things a little bit more oversized. But it's not drop shoulder. The quality's good. So let's see what this looks like on. But I feel like this could be a little winner. Okay, so the next piece are these kind of high shine white, like wide leg trousers. Don't know how I'm feeling. I don't know how I feel about these. Maybe they'll look better on, but from like first glance, it's a little bit wedding vibes, but maybe like it could be like premium, like cool, like in the summer with some like nice like Prada loafers or something. Maybe like with my Bottegas. Okay, no, okay. I'll style these up and show you guys, but I feel like this could be good. I got a size waist 30 and length 34, so that's a great size for me because obviously you want it to be tight in the waist but have enough length so it kind of like puddles over your shoe. But let's see how these look on. Okay, so the next piece is this Bershka knit actually. I really like this. I feel like this is a winner. Like this in the summer, or even like with this bag, like just, oh yeah. This is like winner vibes. Like this I could easily see myself wearing, styling up. I love like the different like muted colors like in that swirl, like obsessed. Okay guys, okay. I got this in a medium as well, and I like the V-neck because like when you wear a shirt underneath it just looks nicer to me than like to have it like across the top. But as I said, I'll style this up and we can see what this looks like. I feel like I was proper on my like summer color vibe with this because this, I love this. This is amazing. I love like the kind of crochet feel it has. Also these colors together, insane. I feel like this, and it's got quite a tight neck. Yes, Asos. Yes, this is, yeah, I like this. So let's also style this guy up. Yeah, I love this. I got a medium in this as well, so hopefully it fits how I want it to fit. And then the last and the favorite piece I'm like kind of looking forward to is this collusion kind of like motocross jacket. I've been really into those recently. Like my friend had one. It's like orange kind of one. I've tried to put it on the screen, and I was like, I love this vibe, like this kind of like leather vibe for summer. Also, like it is kind of very diesel vibes, and I'm obsessed with Diesel's collection. Okay, so this was actually from the women's section. So, ooh. I don't know about that. It's looking quite small, if I'm being honest. And I got this in the biggest size, I think. So I got this in a UK 16, so which I thought would be like equivalent to like a male large. But it just looks a little bit small. I don't mind it a bit cropped, but my shoulders, I don't think my shoulders are gonna fit past that. But we'll have to see. I can try it on and see what the vibe is, but I love it. Like, I love the kind of like applique detail on the front, and then it has like collusion down the sleeve, and also these colors. Once again, just like match the bag, like it's the vibe. Okay, guys, I'm gonna kind of figure out, piece these outfits together, and then I'm gonna come back and I'll show you. Okay, see you in a second. Okay guys, so this is like the first outfit. So this is like that crochet Asos design knit. I just paired it with some like oversized Bershka yellow trousers and some yellow sunnies. I think this is such a nice summer vibe. Like, it's so comfortable, good quality. Like, I really love the fit as well. Like, it just reaches like the elbow. I really like this. I feel like I'm definitely gonna keep this one. Let me know what you guys think. But I got a medium in this and I'm like kind of loving it. So let's put on the next outfit. I'm not loving it. I feel like I like this. I would wear it with the shirt, but like different trousers. I don't really know if I like these. I feel like I like the texture. I like the like how long they are and like the fit on the leg, but like they don't fit first and foremost. They don't fit, which is kind of rude, but they don't fit. And I've had other Asos trousers that are the same, like 30 waist, 34, and they fit fine. So I'm like, don't know what's going on there. I'm not sold on these. But I like the knit. Like, I'll definitely wear the knit. Maybe style it up with some like brown flares, brown sunnies. Also, forgive the hair. The hair situation is just another thing. Like, forgive. Just don't even look at the hair. Now this is my vibe. Like this, I really like this. Like, so I'm wearing the collusion jacket. What I will say is like, because it's such a big size, because I'm like tall and I'm a man, it fits me like okay. Like the arms are like a little short, but because like it's a size 16, the body's like quite big. But I don't mind that because it's like oversized. But like when it is zipped up, it looks a little strange, I think. I just feel like it kind of kicks out a little bit, but I like it like open. I think it looks quite cool. Paired it with my jaded curly fries jeans that I wear them all the time, as you guys probably know. Naked Wolf sunglasses, Von Dutch hat, and then my new diesel bag, which I think really like fits the vibe. I probably wear like Prada loafers with them. Like this is like Instagram ready. Like I would shoot this and definitely post it. Like I absolutely love this jacket. Like I'm definitely keeping this. And that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration for some new spring summer pieces, because I feel like this is the time of year where you can really experiment, color, texture, have it all. And I hope I see you in some looks. We shall see. Some of these looks will be on my Instagram soon, so make sure you check it out, send some love. Also make sure you subscribe, comment and like for more videos. But no, I absolutely love making YouTube videos for you guys, so make sure you guys send some love and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.